Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jill, your library associate for elementary programming in neighborhood services of the Gail Borden Public Library. Today we're going to be having some hands-on fun, not too messy, but some nice kitchen chemistry. So what do you think of experimenting with in chemistry? Well, it makes me think of a mad scientist and lots of bubbling beakers. Well, with that, today we're going to be exploring simple chemistry of the erupting lemon that you can do from home. So the supplies that you're going to need for your erupting lemon are lemons, some baking soda, food colorings, some dish soap, a plate or a tray or a bowl, craft sticks, and if you don't have craft sticks at home, it's okay. You could use a plain old kitchen butter knife, and then you could use some additional lemon juice, or you can use the juice from the other half of your lemon, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you have gloves, great. If you don't have to use them. Well, let's get started on how to do this lemon experiment. So first, you're going to have your mom or your dad cut a lemon in half. And I've already got it cut in half. And I even cut the bottom just a little bit so that it sits flat on my plate. And we're going to do 2 halves. So I've got a second lemon ready to go for juicing. I'm just going to set here on the side. All right, so we've got our lemon on the plate and it's ready to catch the mess. Wonder what kind of mess we're going to have for the eruption. Now we're going to take the craft stick and we're going to poke into each segment of the lemon with my craft stick. And actually, I'm going to use this half. I'm going to use the butter knife just to show you that at home the butter knife works just as well. So we'll do 1 half with the craft stick and 1 half with the butter knife. All right. Now we're going to put some food coloring on the top. I'm going to use a little green. So that's why we're going to do 2, because I thought it would be fun to do 2 different colors. I think I'm going to use orange. Orange, nice spring color, right? Spring's coming. Oh, we already had our first day of spring. Happy first day of spring, everybody. Now, we've got the food coloring on. We've done that. It's going to be a fun effect with that. If you want at home, you can use 2 colors if you want on 1 half, but I just wanted to use just the 1. So you know what? You could use other citrus fruits instead of just a lemon. Do you know what kind of citrus fruits there are? Do you know what a citrus fruit would be? Well, that would be either an orange or a grapefruit or lime. So if you have those instead around the house, you could try the experiment with one of those as well. All right, so next we're going to put some of our dish soap on top of our lemon. Just gonna run it around the top like that. Now I'm gonna take my craft stick, all right, and we're gonna poke it into all sections, and it's gonna start foaming up just a little bit. Okay, like that. And now we're gonna do the same with the other half. Right. I'm gonna get that soap mixed in with that lemon. Well, there's one more thing we haven't added. Can you guess what it might be? baking soda. All right, we're gonna sprinkle. I'm just gonna take my spoon, and I have just a regular spoon. No need to measure the amounts. And you know what? I'm just gonna dump it right on top. All right, let's just do that. And then do that. All right. We're gonna give it just a couple of seconds here. It's already starting to foam up. You see that? Now here comes the fun part. Now we're gonna take our craft stick on the green one, and I'm just gonna poke it. Do you see what's going on? Look at that. It is just, it's getting a little bit foamier, isn't it? A little bit foamier. You want to see something else happen? Now here's where we take the other half of the lemon juice, and I'm gonna squeeze it on top. And get more of a reaction. You see that bubbling? Look at that plate, what a mess. All right, let's do this side, the orange side. We're gonna go all around. Look at that. Oh, this one's starting to erupt too. Here it goes. Oh my goodness, what a mess. But so much fun. Now I'm gonna take the other half of this lemon. I'm gonna squeeze some more juice on. And watch, look at this plate, it's so full. Look at that. And there's that reaction. So, doesn't it make you wonder how our lemon is erupting? Well, the chemical reaction between the citric acid from the lemon juice is reacting to the base of the baking soda, creating a gas called carbon dioxide. The fizzing carbon dioxide creates a rainbow of colors, and the fizz also blows bubbles in the dish soap to create a bigger eruption. Well, that's it. Thank you everyone for watching me today in this segment of your library at home. And don't forget to tune in to today's 2 o'clock and 7 o'clock programs as well. Have a good day.